Stop being just a video editor. If you're stuck in only that role, you're already falling behind. Today, I'm revealing exactly how I'm going to make an extra $5,000 to $10,000 next month by using video editing as just one part of a much bigger puzzle. I wasn't always the essential partner which I am towards my clients today. I started out as a very simple video editor, easily replaceable and unnoticed. Then I discovered the secret. I learned how to build YouTube channels for my clients, and this completely changed my role. Suddenly, I wasn't just editing videos, I was driving revenue, booking clients, and providing that my work is an investment and not a cost. Let's be real. If you think that adding fancy transitions or effects will make you stand out, you're missing the point. Most video editors focus too much on the details, not realizing that clients aren't just looking for someone to put clips together. They need a partner who understands that videos are the key to make more money and attract new customers. The common mistake? Focusing only on editing while ignoring the bigger strategy that turns views into income. That's why even with great editing skills, many remain easily replaceable and undervalued. Here's exactly how I changed the game so I can charge $3,000 to $4,000 per client, and I have multiple of those which pay me per month. Okay, let's come to step one. You need to recognize that your editing skills are just the beginning. They're the key part of the process, don't get me wrong, but they're not the whole picture. Coming to step two, which is picking your niche and become the expert in building your YouTube channels for future businesses in that area. Step three, set a complete system to get customers. I built funnels that turned casual viewers into scheduled calendar booking. Coming to point number four, which is position yourself as a revenue-driven partner. When the clients see that you consistently bring in measurable results, you are no longer just a cost. You are their best investment. Step five, expand your operations with a few quality clients each month, meaning get clients which pay you $3,000 to $4,000, make them more money than you charge them, and the rest is really clear. So imagine this, instead of chasing every potential client, they come to you because they know you are the expert and you bring real results, you bring real clients, and you bring real revenue. Your video editing becomes a part of a larger system that not only grabs attention but also builds income streams. As you refine this approach, you can charge higher rates and more clients easily and really grow your business. So it's not anymore, hey, how much does 20 videos cost with you? And you are compatible with other video editors because they charge maybe less. It's now about getting them more clients with YouTube, and video editing is still a part of the whole game, but then building a stream of clients for your clients so they make more money that they pay on you. So when you're ready, stop being a replaceable video editor and start becoming the essential revenue-driven partner for your clients. Then click the first link in the description, book a call with me, and I will explain you the whole process, how it works. When you have some more questions, drop me an Instagram DM, and happy to help, happy to connect.